I mean, there it is, right? First ever WNBA game. First time in the Barclays Center, super sick. Saw Stewart, Ionescu, super dope stuff. The environment in there was literally unmatched. Like, I swear to you, it was so live in there after every single basket. Just the New York environment and the New York sports is just it's unmatched. I'm in Brooklyn now, so I gotta get home. It's late now. I don't know what I was doing. I was just at home editing a video, but I got a recommendation to go to Hamburger America. Or I guess yesterday, I went to 7th Street Burger. So now I'm gonna go pair the two and see what's up. Could I do the George Mott's fried onion burger? And then could that be a double? And then could I also add the fries? Yeah, that should be it. Riley, R-I-L-E-Y. Hamburger America, I give you an A. I'd come back, it's good stuff. A+ for me, look at that. I'm not sure I took a breath while eating that, but it was good. You guys see that? You guys see that? Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm living a dream. I'm living a dream. Look at this. Yankee Stadium. No one. Yankees lost 3-1, but look at me. First ever Yankees game, Yankees fan as a kid, super sick. Like, I'm still here, like. Everyone cleared out, but you know, I'm just enjoying the moment a little more, you know? Very glad I got to do this. Very glad I got to live in New York for a month. One of the best experiences so far, I will not lie.
Gamey. You know, gamey, but like gamey, but for fish. Wait, look at this.
Let's go.